Have you ever wondered about the minds behind the tools that shape our careers? The innovators who are constantly striving to make the daunting task of job searching just a little bit easier? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on one such company that has empowered millions of job seekers worldwide, Kickresume. And more specifically, we're diving into the leadership that steers this ship. In a world where first impressions are everything, especially in the competitive job market, a well-crafted resume is your golden ticket. It's not just a document. It's your personal marketing brochure, your professional story, and often, your first handshake with a potential employer. For years, job seekers grappled with the tedious and often confusing process of designing resumes that stood out, were ATS-friendly, and truly represented their skills and experience. Enter Kickresume, a platform that revolutionized this process, transforming it from a chore into a creative and intuitive experience. Kickresume isn't just about pretty templates. It's an AI-powered career hub designed to give you an unfair advantage in the job hunt. Think about it. An intuitive interface that guides you through every step, intelligent suggestions for phrasing your achievements, and even AI-powered tools that can generate entire sections of your resume and cover letter. They offer more than 1 million design combinations, crafted not just by graphic designers, but by HR experts and typographers, ensuring both visual appeal and optimal readability. And for those worried about the dreaded applicant tracking systems, Kickresume's templates are built with ATS optimization in mind, ensuring your application gets seen by human eyes. The company's journey began in 2013, founded by two visionary individuals in Bratislava, Slovakia. They saw a gap in the market, a need for a smarter, more user-friendly, and genuinely effective way for people to present themselves professionally. From a student project, Kickresume blossomed into a thriving SaaS company, now boasting millions of users who have successfully landed their dream jobs. This growth, this impact, it doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of strategic leadership, a clear vision, and a relentless dedication to their users. So, who is the driving force behind this innovative platform? Who is the CEO of Kickresume, the individual at the helm, guiding its evolution and ensuring it remains a vital tool for career development? The CEO of Kickresume is Peter Duris. Peter Duris is not just a CEO. He is also a co-founder of Kickresume. This is a crucial detail because it speaks volumes about his deep-rooted understanding of the company's mission and its evolution. He's been there from the very beginning, nurturing the idea from its nascent stages to the robust, comprehensive career toolbox it is today. His journey with Kickresume started from the ground up. While his primary focus these days is on business development and product design, the strategic elements that push Kickresume forward, he initially wore many hats. Imagine this: the current CEO of a multimillion user platform once handled customer support, revised resume samples, collaborated with HR experts, and even managed hiring. This hands-on experience in every facet of the business gives him an unparalleled perspective and a profound empathy for the very users Kickresume serves. He knows the pain points, the aspirations, and the challenges faced by job seekers because he was directly involved in addressing them in the early days. Peter is the original mind behind Kickresume, having dedicated over 7 years to working with resumes and understanding the intricacies of effective self-presentation in the professional sphere. This isn't just a job for him. It's a passion born from a genuine desire to simplify and enhance the job application process for everyone. His background as a co-founder means he's intrinsically tied to the company's ethos and its core values of helping individuals build better careers. Alongside Peter Duris, the other co-founder is Tomasz Andrzejka, who serves as the Chief Marketing Officer, CMO. Together, Peter and Tomasz have formed a powerful leadership duo, combining product vision and business acumen with a strong understanding of market outreach and user engagement. While Peter focuses on the strategic direction and product innovation, Tomasz ensures that Kickresume's valuable services reach those who need them most. Their combined leadership has been instrumental in Kickresume's journey from a humble student project to a globally recognized career tool. Under Peter Duris's leadership, Kickresume has consistently pushed the boundaries of what a resume builder can be. They've integrated cutting-edge AI to automate tedious tasks, making resume creation faster and more efficient. They've focused on creating an accessible and user-friendly platform, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their tech proficiency, can create a professional-grade resume. And they've continuously expanded their offerings, moving beyond just resumes to include cover letters, personal websites, and even career mapping tools. This holistic approach to career development reflects Peter's commitment to providing a complete solution for job seekers. The company's commitment to privacy and security is also a testament to Peter's leadership. Being based in the European Union, Kickresume operates under the world's toughest privacy and security laws, the GDPR. This dedication to data protection reinforces their user-centric philosophy and builds trust with their global user base. Ultimately, Peter Durac's role as CEO of Kickresume is about more than just running a company. It's about leading a mission to empower individuals, to give them the confidence and the tools they need to stand out in a crowded job market, and to ultimately achieve their career aspirations. He's a founder who transitioned into a visionary CEO, never losing sight of the initial problem he set out to solve. His hands-on experience, coupled with his strategic foresight, continues to drive Kickresume's innovation and success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.